Hello and welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. We are going to make a very interesting dish today, one of my personal favorites. It's called Au Gratin. Gratin means giving a dish a golden brown topping. This not only adds to the look of the dish, but also gives a crisp texture to the top, thanks to the breadcrumbs. आज की recipe है Vegetable Au Gratin. So let's get started. So we first cook our vegetables. A tablespoon of olive oil. Add in your garlic. Onion, finely chopped. We add in our cauliflower. आप broccoli भी डाल सकते हैं if you wanted to look different. Add in our carrots. If you want to save time, you can parboil all your veggies. So while the vegetables are cooking, we'll make our sauce. Two and a half tablespoons of butter. We add in a tablespoon of wheat flour, whole wheat flour. Make sure there are no lumps. Add in the milk. You can use low-fat milk, almond milk. Don't add in all the milk at one time. Make sure that there are no lumps. You need to put in at least a cup and a half. Add in your peas. Salt, pepper, add in 1/4 teaspoon of paprika powder. Fresh oregano. You can use the dried variety as well. Thyme. Salt. Now you add in your cheese. Parmesan. And save a little for the top. We start getting our casserole ready. We just grease our casserole with a bit of butter. If you want to go completely vegan, you'll have to use olive oil and almond milk. And it's possible. It's not like it can't be done. And you'll have to go without the cheese or maybe use vegan cheese. We put off the gas because our sauce is thick enough. You can see this. This is the consistency we need. Now what we do is we've got really thinly sliced potatoes. We just line them. We brush it with a bit of butter. We add our vegetables into our white sauce. Add in a layer. Now we just add in our brown breadcrumbs. This is what will give us the crispy layer. A bit of olive oil, only to make your breadcrumbs slightly crispier. That's optional. And your freshly grated cheese. Now we put this in the oven at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. I can smell it. Oh, melted cheese. Can't wait to dive into it. Nothing beats sharing a hearty meal with your family. This vegetable au gratin will appeal to everyone. Do try it out and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Tab tak ke liye, swasth raho, mast raho.